Oh, yo. Is it the backbone? Yo, I've been legit. Yo, Mina. This is your host, Takebe Matayakaso. As you saw from the thumbnail and the title, I'm about to do a blind reaction to this here video. I'm gonna leave the link to the original video in the description down below. With that being said, let's hop right into it. Yarza Culture Show. So my internet is acting up, and so I have the resolution down to 720p.
Welcome to another PO box opening. Hi, chat. Welcome to another PO box.
Hold on 1 second, y'all. I forgot. Forgot to turn this down. There we go.
Hi, chat. Welcome to another PO box opening. You know what the fuck going on and shit like that. Here we go, chat.
I'm here for his PO boxes. His PO boxes be.
Let's see what y'all got.
Real lit.
First package I'm going to open is this package right here. Due to the fact that this package has been sitting on my windowsill for so long. It says, "Can you give to Kai ASAP, Bree?" Okay? Be gentle, Kai. It's fragile. Oh, would you get a look at this dog? It says, "My phone number is," don't leak. Yo, Kai Cenat. I filled out my field trip application. I'm trying to come to the A&P crib, my. I've been watching shit for a minute, probably like 3 years. I'm trying to send this message ASAP before everybody. I've been texting you on Snap, IG, Twitter. I even text Bree on IG. I'll drop everything I'm doing and get on the flight anytime. I don't give a fuck. And I'm not crazy for saying it in the chat. So call me. My. You don't got to read this out loud. Yes, I'm black. Oh my gosh, he actually filled out the application. Let's call. Let's get a call in. Here we go.
Hello?
Hey.
What is it?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
So, like, what you doing? It's like,
Kai Cenat, stop playing.
yo, Brody!
Yo, Brody!
What's good, bro?
What's good? I ain't gonna lie, bro. You just leaked my number and I told you not to.
He didn't leak it.
Man.
He didn't
Dead
leak
ass.
it. He didn't even show the number.
Niggas call me no caller.
He didn't at all.
Come on, Kai. Let me turn the shame off. But yeah, bro, you just leaked.
So, have you been watching tonight?
Yeah, you just be seeing sketching. You be sketching.
You want to know what's crazy? I started watching Kai, I think, in maybe somewhere around September 22. I think so. So, as of right now, I've been watching him Twitch and YouTube content a year and some months now. Yeah, it's just I just was just thinking about it randomly.
No caller ID, I swear. Come on, Kai. Let me turn the shame off. But yeah, bro, you just leaked.
So, have you been watching tonight?
Yeah, you just be seeing sketching. You be sketching 1v1. Yeah, I saw. I've been watching.
Who was the original 4 for A&P?
Duke, Agent, Davis, and Sam. I believe so.
What month is my birthday?
December.
How many siblings do I have?
Yeah, he shares the same birthday as Belize.
You got your little brother, so I would say 3.
Favorite color?
Your favorite color? I ain't gonna lie. I don't think you ever said that, but I'm gonna say red, because that's my favorite color.
That is my favorite color.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. He's actually comp. Hold on, he's actually comp. And those are basic questions. He's actually comp, but those are basic questions. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I got your application here. I'm gonna put it to the side of my desk. Unfortunately, it is too late to find flights right now, but I'm gonna put it right here, alright?
For sure.
Alright, where are you located? What city?
Texas, Austin.
Okay, alright.
Wait, that's
I won't be
where.
calling
Yeah,
you
that's
back,
where
alright?
Belize at. Belize
How do you-
and PG,
18.
Joe,
Okay.
Mari,
Alright.
Rico.
Hold it.
That's where
These
everybody
are very
at.
basic questions. There's also something else in the package, chat. Cap. Cap. Oh my. This is actually cap. AirPod.
It's so bright. His LED lights
No,
are
this is
so
random,
bright.
chat. Did Apple make these? Yes. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Bear with me with the reaction tonight, cause
Yes.
my internet is
Oh
struggling
my gosh,
tonight.
we got to add it to the list. We got this from Ken. Hey Kai, really hope you enjoy this gift from me to you. What's supposed to give to you for your birthday, but who gives a fuck?
Right?
Love, Ken. Ah, shit. What is this? What is this?
Is that a dildo?
It's a bong, bro. Oh my god.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
It's a bong, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, what? What? Why is my internet being like this? Crap.
Bro, come on, y'all gotta do better, bro. Come on, like, who the thinks something could have got banned, right? Facts, yep. Not an excuse. I could have got banned. I literally could have got banned for that. I could have got banned for that. Not an excuse. I could have got banned. I literally could have got.
With the way Twitch be random with their bans, yeah, that good thing he didn't got banned. I don't know why my internet is being like this.
Could have got banned, right? Facts, yep. Not an excuse. I could have got banned. I literally could have got banned for that. I could have got banned for that. I could have got banned for that. Yep, there you go. What is this? Fragile from perhaps gallery.
Bro, the next time it buffers, I might dumb it down to 480p.
Why did they send gloves? It's a small artist from Montreal, Canada. This is my new piece called The Do. It's my interpretation of what I call history of the future. Basically means how people will remember us in our culture 100 years from now. Just like we remember the Greeks through their sculpture. Hope you enjoy it and like it. I got a lot more to offer. A shout out will go a long way. Stay blessed. Hold on. Canada in the building. Please don't be no voodoo, bro. Deep breath.
He said, please be no voodoo. Wait, did he really put on white gloves? Yeah, I'm dumbing it down to 480p. Oh my god. And that's as far as I'll go. 480p. Just so I could get through this reaction. I don't know why he's doing this to me. But 480p ain't even bad. It's a little grainy, but it's kind of like the borderline.
Is this Duke Dennis?
Oh, snap.
Did this just send me Duke? No, it's actually tough. Tupac is not Tupac, bro.
Yeah, it's fire.
Oh, damn. Looks like a poster. Here we go.
The fact that he really has gloves on is insane.
Oh my. Yo!
That's fire.
Yo!
That is actually fire. My room is cold.
What the f? You got the rollie on. Yo, 3 for 3. Tough. Kaylee baby. Let's see what you got, Kaylee baby. Ah, I'm weak as.
snacks. Cheez-Its. The cheddar jack, I think. That's the best flavor, I think.
What? Okay, I see why it's eats. Hey Kai, hey Big Drewski. Y'all niggas so fucking funny, bro. I love y'all niggas, man. Keep being great. Never let the funniest fade away. We depend on y'all boys, man, for real now. Tee the up tonight because I'm locked the W's, man. Great stream, man. W chat. Lock the man. Yo, thank you so much for the eat. And you can't forget the Bev. Nah, I'm re-upping my stash. This is tough. I'm re-upping my stash. W chat. W's, bro. I'm eating the these snacks. W chat. Y'all are snapping. Who is this from? He doesn't have a name. Who is this from?
It's anonymous. Oh, a funky pop, funk pop,
Tough.
something like that.
Super tough.
I want to collect
MJ.
those too.
Next, come on. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Christopher Edwards. Ugh. Oh my God, they're snapping. Yo, I can't stop. What the fuck? I cannot make this up. Chat.
Oh, yo.
Why do we have the coolest?
Is it the backbone? Yo, I've been legit looking at
I
that.
can't be doing this. Stop. Bro,
I-
y'all gotta stop buying me.
I was
Christopher
legit
Edwards from
looking
Pennsylvania.
to
Where's your note?
get that for my phone.
Yep. The mafia is rich. You rich? He wants to field trip. He has field trip evidence.
Damn.
He has field trip
Let me see.
evidence.
Hold on. That's crazy. 1,260 hours watched. 4 million channel points. 681 chat cents. Wow.
He has
He
field
dedicated.
trip evidence. Kai, here's a PlayStation backbone. You can play games anywhere with it. Kai, you're an inspiration to many, bro. It's amazing to see how far you came in the Red Room to now. But what's good, my guy? This is my field trip application. I'm from New York, so that's a quick flight. I ain't one of them two dudes from before. Time to turn up on your stream and represent MGM right. Oh my
Nice.
gosh. Why does it say Pennsylvania, though? Oh, he's from New York. Wait, he lives in New York. I don't know, bro. What the f? W Mans.
That's what's up, though.
Application gets stacked right here, too.
That's what's
guys?
up.
This is my brand, Toxic
That's what's
Arts.
up.
This is a Nintendo snapback and a GTA Vice City beanie. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait.
Those are really good gifts.
I might wear this for GTA 6.
Oh, snap.
I might wear this for GTA 6. Tough. Yo, y'all outdoing yourselves right now, and I love it. Yo, y'all outdoing yourselves right now, and I love it, bro. From Bushwick, Brooklyn. Okay, so a Brooklyn said this. What's your name? I don't know. Because you didn't say. Nigga said a Christmas? A Christmas? What the f was that? What the f was that?
I'm scared. Yeah, that's crazy.
I have a big package for you.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Drip or drown. W sweater. Wear it. Bro. What the f? did I just hear in this chat? I sat. Which one was it? This one or this one?
It was a lower one.
Oh my God! What the f is that?
Oh, I think
Oh
it's
hell no!
I think
What
it's
the
one of those
f is that?
the goose thingies.
The niggas in the animal. Huh?
Okay, I'm gonna skip it a bit so that he
What the?
if he actually opens it. Oh. Damn.
Bro, there's no reason why you should become. Don't no. Let me talk. Let me talk. Let me talk. Okay. What do you want to say? I know you was trapped in there that whole time, but that's why I got you out. No, thank you. Why not? You so rude, bro. Listen to me, bro. Who the sent you? Huh? Damn. Really? You really gonna say what the Twitter niggas be saying? That I don't make. Okay, so I make content for kids. That's why. Okay, you know what? You're right. You're okay. Okay, look. No, okay. Okay, don't say sorry now. No, go down. Nah, you. No, nigga. No. You just call me a pawn. No letter. Like what? Like what is wrong with y'all niggas? There's no letter. Nah.
A whole box for just that?
With no letter is crazy.
Yeah.
Next up, we got Kai Cenat on the knee. It says fragile. Here we go. Here we go, chat. It says fragile. Here we go. Why does it smell like? It's a whole bunch of incense. Oh my! Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just can't use it on my skin. My skin is very sensitive, so I'm using something on my skin right now, and I can't use it. Appreciate it. Unless somebody could recommend me that this is good. Yeah.
Mm.
Ohio I'm talking about.
What is that?
Oh my god, I haven't seen these in days. My mom used to, in years. My mom used to collect these and see what like sale they got and dead.
Are they just coupons?
Cotton candy. Bro, this nigga's weird. Rick and Morty playing cards. Wait, themed Rick and Morty. No way. Wait, what? Oh, 6 of. Bro, wait, huh? Eminem.
It's like, what would I do with these?
Is a back scratcher? Oh.
These makes me want a back scratcher. We used to have one though. Like, I don't remember who bought it, but
Derek KC3000. What up, Kyle? My name is Josiah Young, and I'm from Columbus, Ohio. I'm not finna sit here and cap off about how I was there from the beginning, because I wasn't. Oh, W honesty. But your content has been therapy to me for a little over a year. That might not be too long, but you're like 70% of what I watch on TV. Now, enough yapping. It would be an honor and pleasure to come and chill with you on stream. Not only... Wait, is the number on here? Oh my gosh. Oh, in the back. Did I just leak it? Did I just leak it?
we didn't see it, so you good.
Okay. He put his phone number and his backup phone number.
Damn.
Say no more. Yo, these are so much, like, these are such random things for you to put in here. I don't know your thought process behind this was, but this back scratcher, hold on.
Oh, it's an
Right
extendo.
here. Damn. It's hard. This. What the f? Tom, how is there no stick? Did this shit fall off? Like, how long has it been here? KC3000, what's up? I know you like Beyblades, so here is one for you. And it's also a whistle. W mans.
No, that's a no.
How is this a Beyblade?
Nah. Oh, this is a part of a clip that my little sister sent me of.
Oh my, I'm so dumb.
Yeah, this was a clip that my sis sent me of how
Wait, that motherfucker is spinning though.
his fans be
Wait,
wilding.
it is a
though.
Beyblade. Why am I touching this, bro? Okay.
That's why.
Nocta! Nocta!
Ooh, they sent him.
Drip of the day, drip of the day.
They sent him another.
Package from your boy Drizzy Drake.
Okay.
Drizzy, what have you sent me? Pre-W or pre-L? Check silver stripes. That's
What I like. Okay.
simple. That's what I like. Hold on, just so you don't think I'm biased. Let me go ahead and see if these sweats fit me.
Ah, that's lit.
They fit!
That's lit. That's lit.
Oh, shit!
That's lit.
Oh, shit!
That's lit.
They fit! Damn, bruh. Damn, bruh.
Woo! That's a nice. That's not.
Tough.
That's a
They're
really
not,
nice
these are actually tough.
colorway.
And they're flat at the bottom. Oh. Next. Another package feels like some sneakers.
I like their packaging. Oh, he sent him sneakers. Oh, I like those.
W Gym shoes.
I like those.
W Gym dad shoes.
Those are fire.
Oh, what the?
No, I would wear those. Those are fire. Those are fire. I would wear those.
A little bit. You put on a tracksuit. Feel me? Check. You put on a tracksuit. You get your plain Jane watch. You got the dad hat Nike from head to toe, and you going out on a meeting on some shit like these. On some shit like these. Yo, T Biddies with the 5 gift the chat. W T Biddies chat. W gifted. W gifted chat.
Nah, those are fire.
This one says, do not stack. This is a letter from somebody completely different. Let's see what it says. Please read off stream. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. All right. Do not stack. DC stacks at the 5. Get appreciated, gang. Hold on. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Yes. Get it. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
The fact that folks would legit send him stuff just goes to show how much of an impact he has on folks. Legit.
What up, my name is Jordan.
He's really come a long
What
way.
up, my name is... Hold on. What up, Kai? My name is Jordan. I'm from South Carolina. 15 to 20 minutes from Duke's house. I've been watching you for years, and you are motivation, dog. Let him pull up to a stream. ATL is only 2 hours away from South Carolina. You call, I will drop everything and be on the way. Is this his brand? Wait, his brand is kind of tough. Wait. Like this right here is tough. Is that his brand?
Oh.
Thank you, bro. Good luck to the groceries, bro. Ah. The fuck? The fuck? Nigga just stuffed that bitch in there.
What could it be? Deep throat to go.
I don't like what y'all doing now, bro. Delicious throat desanitizer helps reduce gag reflex and discomfort.
What?
Convenient travel size. Loop prevents accidental spraying and easily attaches to keyring. Easy to use spray container. Fine mist coats throat.
Wow.
No parabens or sugar. Freshens breath. Raspberry flavor.
That is crazy.
Strawberry flavor.
That is crazy.
Here are 2 deep throat to go sprays for you dick suckers out there. Every time y'all ride dick, I'ma just spray. Every time I just start dick sucking, I'ma just spray the camera. Literally.
What is that?
Yo!
Oh, a lava lamp.
Wait! Who remembers when I had a lava lamp? Do y'all remember? Was that stream? No, my fault. No, it's not. No, it wasn't. That was college. Never mind. My shit broke in college. Nah, you the GOAT. Red lava tough. Thank you, bro. What the The GOAT. What?
Oh,
Give me my money.
just give me my money.
Alright, 1 or 2? Which one? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Hype plug with the 5 gifted. Thank you so much, brother. 1. Here we go. This heavy. Let's see.
It's gotta be good. It's gotta be really good. It's gotta be real good. His facial expressions are
Sneaker after sneaker after sneaker
it's gotta be good.
after sneaker
It's gotta be good.
after sneaker, bro.
It gotta be good.
What the?
Hey man,
Wait, is
I
it
hope
even
that
sneakers? It
I get to
is.
do
I'm gonna be
PO
honest with you,
box
and as honest as
openings
possible.
like
Here we go.
in the future.
Peace be slides. Peace be slides.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are actually comp. Oh my. No, like I'll actually wear these, bro. Oh, bro.
He don't gotta have to buy him no Crocs,
How much W's keep getting in the
no
row?
slides because
Bro, my
people
slides-
be gifting him. Oh, those designs are actually
W.
fire.
What the?
Those are fire designs.
W. What the?
Oh, they they hooked them up real well.
Is this? 9.
Oh, they
Does this shit open like a milk carton? What the? Oh, it does.
they outdid themselves.
Another one. I'm gonna get this shit to Phantom.
Oh.
Oh, it's for the all AMP crop. Oh wait, W's. Keychain. Bro. Okay. No, these are actually dumb fire. Bro, check. Shout out to. Wait. Where?
Oh, that was a wild sneeze.
I'm gonna show this. No, it's not even showing, chat. Missing cartons. I think it says. Wait, missing octopus. Wait, what? Missing marks. Here, what does it say, chat? Octavius. I just got 4 Birkenstocks. Birkenstock, whatever the fuck they call it, right? What the?
Now 2 has to be
Bro, what the?
yeah, 2 has to be incredible.
UWSG Kai.
Bro, what the? Hold on. I put it over here.
Yes, sir. R.
Yes, Sirski. Chat, this is one of the PO boxes that we open up in such a long time. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, this one has been fire.
The PO box has been pretty cut though.
Yeah, it's been fire. It's been fire.
Last and final one of the night. Where is my knife?
This has to be.
Here it is.
It's gotta be really good.
I'm pushing. I'm pushing. I'm pushing. I'm pushing. Oh, hell no. Why did that bitch say Annabelle?
Oh! Did they get him an Annabelle doll?
Yes, SIRRRR.
Oh, hell no. No, I would throw that away.
Bro.
I ain't even gonna cap. I would throw that away. I would not.
As we celebrate the great and he's greatly to be praised.
Yeah, I would not even keep that. I don't care if it's not real or it's a prop. The fact that it was used to make that movie, I would not mess with it. Alright, there y'all have it, folks. That was Kai's craziest P.O. box opening. If you enjoyed my reaction and would like to see me react to videos similar to this, go ahead and like this video. This is your host, Tokimei, and I'm out. おい、何見てんだよ。よ、あんのかよ。さっさとチャンネル登録しろよ。せろ。